want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow
Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and tonight it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm going to start my slow cooker here, and this is the Pioneer Woman slow cooker. I've got it on low for 10 hours, and I'm going to fix what I think they call Mississippi chicken. I think you can do it with the beef too, and then it's called Mississippi beef. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm going to put, I don't know, really, I haven't washed it enough to know how to do this, but I'm going to put a little bit of onion on here, and y'all, or this is where y'all would put garlic. I don't use garlic, so y'all know I do not like garlic. Every time I think of it, it just doesn't do good for me. So I'm gonna put some salt in here. This is kosher salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on here, about a teaspoon of it. Really, I don't even think about 3/4 of a teaspoon, probably. And then coarse ground black pepper. I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon of that on here. Okay. And these chicken tenders were at Kroger's for $10. I've been having a hard time. I thought this was the big pack, and it's not, so I'm just gonna go on and do this. And what I've got is I've got a pack of Au Jus Gravy mix, and I'm going to put that on top of these.
you know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on.
Alright, and then I'm going to put I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the ranch dressing mixer. You can use a envelope. I just don't have an envelope, and I don't know how much is in. I guess I'm going to put like 1.5 tablespoons on here. And then I'm going to put, well, get the top back on here. And then I'm going to put these deli style pepperoncinis. I've got a half of a jar left of these, and I really need to get rid of them. So I'm just going to put all of these down in here and hope that it will taste okay. I really didn't like the beef. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know, but I really didn't like the beef like this, but I hope that I'll like the chicken. So anyway, this is going to cook all night, and then in the morning I'll have to decide what I'm going to fix for lunch or whatever for Dana and I with these. I'm really not even sure what I'm gonna fix, but here's my, you can see I dropped some of the, but here's my Pioneer Woman slow cooker, and I've got it on low, and it's on 10 hours, and so I'm just going to bed now, and this is gonna cook all night tonight. And let's see, 10 hours, it'll go off at 12 to 10, and then it'll go off about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I will bring y'all back tomorrow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My house has smelled so good all night long. It's the next morning now. This is done. It's just like falling apart. and I'm going to put it in this bowl, let it cool off, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I've got so many ideas, but I kind of want to do something with the gravy, make the gravy thicker or something, so I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet, so I don't know what it tastes like. I'm getting it all out of here. And then I'm gonna, once it cools off a little bit, I'll put the rest of the juice and stuff in here. All right. All right, all this mess right here, but I do want to taste it, so let me zoom in, get it down here, so you can see it. Do I want to taste one of the things with it? One of the pepperoncinis? Yeah, I think I will. Here's a few of them. Alright, so here's the bite that I'm gonna take.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while.
Oh my gosh. Y'all. Alright. This is way better than the beef with it. Oh my gosh.
You got your high heels on.
I absolutely love this.
What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts
If you haven't tried this, it is a little salty.
Can't get enough of this.
So maybe I put too much salt in it. And it's got a kick to it. I didn't think the pepperoncinis were hot, but they are a little spicy in this. So if you have not tried this, try it. Just don't put any salt in it, because I guess the ranch and the gravy, Au Jus Gravy mix have salt in them. I didn't even check, and I guess they do. And this is just delicious, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know. I might bring y'all back for a what's for dinner or whatever later on. I've got to decide what I'm gonna do with it. Kind of want some rice, but I don't know. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram, and also there'll be links below of different things that I use in my kitchen that you can use, and give this a try. Gosh, it's amazing. I have never tried it before, but it really is good. Maybe not, if you don't like spice, maybe don't put as much pepperoncinis in there, but definitely get some of the juice so that you have that taste, because oh my gosh, it is just so good. Alright, so I will talk to you later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style.